This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about stock pots, specifically this Metlux stock pot. It's a 21-quart stainless steel stock pot that's induction ready. It's also available in a 13.5 quart size as well. It can be used with various cooktops, including induction cookers, and it's perfect for a variety of tasks in your kitchen. It's got easy to read interior quart markings for quick measuring while you're crafting your recipes. And it's got fantastic handles on both sides, making it easy to carry and handle. It's perfect for canning, stewing, making soups, simmering broths, boiling, braising, and more. The stainless steel it's made from is scratch resistant, and it also features a lovely reinforced rim for a really hard working kitchen tool, making the stock pot a perfect tool for any kitchen, personal or professional.